Hi again, and another video for today, and the part 2 of the video about why I hate schools. And as you know, there's another reason that I hate schools, and actually it is a worthless education system that I have experienced in my life. But so before we are proceeding to the explanation about education system and why I hate schools. Uh, be sure that you like and subscribes and uh, click notification in after you subscribe so to stay updated because as you know in the future I'm still making a video about some of my project and tools if my mother decide to take away my gadgets because as you know if I didn't pass the grades that she will take away my gadgets, but I can still make a video in other mobile phone using the phone of my grandfather. So let's start. So as you know guys that um, I've seen so many of the schools like college, high schools, elementary, it keeps cycling. Memorization, good memorizations actually that many students are doing when reciting of the lessons that teacher gives them and also why would we need to memorize many of the lessons and then after we are passing the exam then we are forgetting the lessons that we are learning in the past so as you know guys that the schools in many countries like for example in this country Philippines and Japan, China, US, uh, schools institutions are now controlled by the government because it is centralized. But the true education doesn't need a degree, a diploma, a course, but instead it is from creativity and skills and also self-taught. Like for example, like Geohot, Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and so on. They are dropping out in schools if they are learning in university or college, like from Harvard, MIT, and so on, to create their own things or to build their own, like for example, Facebook, Apple, jailbreaking the iPhone, etc. And also, there are many way instead of relying to the education in centralized system. And other reasons that why I hate education is because it frustrates me and I really don't like it. That's why I really done with this uh, being in the system and also focusing on my own tools and also some exploring many possibilities. Like for example, when exploring hardware, exploring many of the Android internal hooking, modifications, and so on. And also, so many teachers, they are also underwage or underpaid. Actually, most of them are graduated from other university. Uh, and as you know, guys, mostly worse is many teachers are punishing students like for example um, if you didn't pass this exam then you will not be gaining or you will not be qualified to exam in other years, for example third year, fourth year, or second year. This is why this is why I started to hate the education system because it is absolutely rigged. And that's why even though my mother feared that if I didn't pass the subject or exam and also lower grades, That grade is just a number. Actually, it's just a number. That's fine even though they take away my gadgets, and it didn't even take away my legacy, my project, my knowledge, and so on. So in many cases, this is where I'm starting to build my own goal, not just going to be working in electrical engineer, not from those who are working in other countries, but my own goal, uh, which is outside the box. As I remember earlier, that education system is not designed from some innovators or creatives people. Rather, it is only for the mass production and to be a workers. It is true, absolutely, because many of the students want to be a worker. That's why they're going to school. um, so many of you guys who are watching this video is same same experience like I did, but that's okay, I respect that. But for me, actually, if you are really really tired of going school, or you want to be a dropout and trying to build something, then go. And as you know, um, I'm not even forcing other students to be dropout, because that's absolutely not recommended. All I can say is they must decide, and I didn't even force them. So as you know, in my video yesterday, or in long ago, or 2 days ago, um, I make a video about the exposed modules that hook in Android 15 under the kernel lockdown. This is not required root. So as you can see, guys, this is not required degree or course. Rather, it is self-taught or searching online, actually. um, so many of the developers who are experiencing this kind of frustration about education, actually, you done a great job. Just continue your work, just continue some of your legacy, and actually you're influencing other people or community online. So that's it, guys, and continue the explanation. Additionally, actually, I'm adding another explanation, because this is the final explanation, and I'm gonna uh, end the video soon. So guys, um, you are born um, with this kind of cycle. That's why you're starting kindergarten, elementary, high school, senior high school, college, and then work.